Okay, another element that you need to make for your job is this little bracket here. They call it the hinge bracket on the drawings. It's an L-shaped bracket with a hole for screwing to the support arm and a hole, M4 clearance hole that goes through where the two knurled lock nuts are. And like I say, you need to make two of these objects, right? There's a couple of critical dimensions on these. It's very important that the holes on the longer section of the L shape are the same height. That makes sure that this piece here goes through horizontal. If they were different heights, that would be angled, right? You've got to make sure that they're the same heights. So it's made out of 2mm aluminium, 2mm thick aluminium, and it's drawn up to the sizes that you'll see on your working drawings by here, all right? So let me see if I can get that a bit better for you. Right, so let's run through the sizes. Accuracy and tolerance on this is plus or minus half a millimetre. As long as we can achieve that, we're all right. So we've got 24 high. That's the vertical piece. That's from here to here. And we've got, let me see now. We've got another size that's missing somewhere. 17.7 between here. So 24 and 17.7. Right, well, this piece now actually raises a couple of questions, right? How you dimension this piece. When you do sheet metal fabrication, right, you've got to consider the thickness of the material. So you have something called a neutral axis and a K value for a bent piece of metal. God, if you're interested in engineering, it can get really complex, right? So where it says 24 and 17.7 there, I'm actually going to take this 0.77 off. I'm going to go for 17. So 24 plus 17, first of all, then. So 24 plus 10 is 34, plus 7 is 41. Okay, so we're going to have 41 millimeters long. When you unfold that, we're going to say it's 41 millimeters long. And the thickness of that, look, is 18 millimeters. All right, so first thing I need to do is measure a rectangle 41 by 18 millimeters. Next job then, right? So get some tools ready. So I've got my trusty surface plate there. And my next job I'm going to do is introduce you to a new piece of equipment. So we've got an accuracy tolerance of plus or minus half a millimetre. So 18 millimetres should be achievable using this machine by here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set the height to the spike there on that tool of 18 millimetres. So from my datum edge, the surface plate surface, to that spike is 18 millimetres. Next job, grab your piece of aluminium and get a datum surface. So there's my datum surface. I'm going to trust that edge. So if it's a datum, what you can commonly do is you can see this shape drawn on it. Okay, that means I'm going to trust that surface. I'm going to rest that on my angle plate that I've got, and I'm going to grab this and I'm going to scratch a line that goes all the way across this. So what that's done now is it's scribed a line parallel to the datum 18 millimeters away from it.